Good morning, everybody. Today we're changing the blades on the 52-inch V6 zero turn by Ego. It takes 3 blades. Here's the bolt. It's 14 millimeter and it's got a special washer that's got to go on correctly, because if not, it won't catch and then your blade will flop around. I've already taken 2 of the blades off over here, and keep in mind we will wash the deck afterwards, so it may be a little dirty now. But now when you're looking at it, you've got this little bump, and the bump always goes down towards the ground. Washer, bolt. So one on the end. Use a tool to get them off, but to get them back on, it's much easier just to use your hands. But the washer has got to go all the way up, fit on just right, so the blade's flush. And then it's not the easiest thing in the world. And give it a little encouragement. There we go. Make sure it's down to the bottom. There you go. Make sure they line up. They do. All of them are facing down. You're good to go. And then, of course, last thing is over here. You have this port that hooks onto the deck. Yeah, that you can hook your water hose straight to it. Turn on the water, and this is the adapter. Pull back. Now it's on the water hose. Water, you can turn on the blades, and it'll wash the deck for you. So definitely do that, and it'll help your blades cut much better. All right, that's it. Thanks. Have a good day.